好，我是江一伟，这是我的妹妹江一武。我们今天要做一个 chocolate fondue。我们的材料对吗？我们的材料要有一个 fondue set， 然后有点巧克力，然后我们也有草莓，然后我们有个蜡烛。
4岁，
他4岁，我8岁，所以我比他棒多了，所以我教他怎么做这个。然后因为我赢了 ，rock paper scissors， 所以我们说中文。
No, you're joking. My name is Amanda. This is my sister Alice, and I'm 4 years old. She is 8, and we're going to be making
Fondue.
We have chocolate. I don't know what else.
It's a fondue set.
Fondue set and candle and strawberries.
然后第一个 step 是我们要放草莓。First step is to light up the candle. So are you gonna do it? First, we're gonna light up the candle. Then we're gonna bring it inside here underneath the pot. And then I'm gonna take the spoons out.
We're going to put in the chocolate one by one.
Do you know what is the second step?
Oh, look at those 2 eyeballs.
它们不是 eyeballs. They're not eyeballs. We have to wait until it's fully melted. So I'm gonna go.
5 minutes passed and now we're back here. We just started a little more. And here's like the candle. Oh, can we turn it off?
Now it's time to put in the strawberries.
Let's go. Take a spoon.
So I'm going to show you how to put the strawberries. We're going to take a strawberry. I get the big one.
Oh.
Going to dip it on. Like
That's
that.
so big.
Then we're going to dip it in. That is so big. Oh no, it's stuck. Bring it up. Bring it up.
Wow. I'm telling you, this is delicious. Now we just finished putting in the strawberries. I know.
能说中文吗？
You can say 中文. I say Chinese.
I forgot to do the Chinese one.
No. This is so yummy, and I hope you like this food. And you can make this at your house. And if you just want it,
I hope you enjoyed the show. See you next time.
Bye bye.